Maybe. Okay, what do you want to say?
Hi, this is Moya speaking, and
Who do you want to say hello to? Back
I want to
home.
say hello to my mother,
Uh-huh.
my father, and my brother.
So say hello.
Hello.
All right. We'll see you when you come out.
This is Mr. Net
On Network Sebago.
on
All
the
right.
network Sebago. Bye.
Bye.
It's raining. Come on, I'm going in front. Come on, I'm going
Can't
in
come
front.
on without your buddy. Put your towels on the side. Put your shoes
You
on the
can't go in the
side.
front. Wait for me.
On the side. Hey, can I have Apache? Guys, wait right here. You can't walk up unless you're holding your buddy's hand. Walk 2 by 2. You don't have to hold each other's hand, but walk 2 by 2. Go ahead, buddies. Go ahead, buddies. Sneakers off. Go on the side. Split up. Go on side to side. Let's go, buddies. Okay, let's have Cherokee.
Lift your buddy and don't run down the steps.
Take your shoes off on the side and your towels on the side.
Let me get my towels on the side.
Towels and shoes, not in front. This is not, people will not be able to walk here. Please move these flip flops too, even though they're not yours. Okay, towels on the side. You cannot walk with them. Flip flops up, towels on the side.
on the side.
Once you're ready, please walk.
There's Willie.
Okay,
Working
can I
hard,
have
I'm
Iroquois?
hardly working.
Did I call the Iroquois? Iroquois. They all have buddies. Iroquois. Hey, can I have Cherokee? Blackwood? Shoes off on the side. Towels on the side. Do not approach. Buddy, keep going. Good. Kick him to the side. Keep going. Get with your buddy. Wait up with your buddy.
We'll look up that sign later.